And here's Sam entering the studio with the very heavy 12-inch
That thing weighs a ton, doesn't it?
Yeah.
TV VCR combo. Quasar?
Quasar.
Golf, like a golf swing, like me.
It certainly is. Wow. Looks like you stepped on it.
Erock's not done though.
It
Nice.
could be repaired.
One more.
One more shot. Here goes Erock.
Don't do it.
Man, there's a lot more pieces to that. There's a lot more episodes to be watched. What a waste.
Feeling good, Sam?
No, why would I be feeling good? My TV's broken.
Yeah, but now you can get a new one.
You could have got a new TV after this one had run its course.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Wow, there is so much debris.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
All those parts were still good.
flotsam and jetsam.
Now it's broken.